everyone. So today we'll be talking about the special kit from SpeechGears. So the one which I'm holding right now is a hard one. So we have two categories in this. One is a hard one and another is the soft one. So in details I will be talking about that also. So you just have to lift it up and that's how we open the box. And this is the beautiful box. So yes, so what you have to do is like you have to just push your thumb, yes, and that is how we open. So this is the special kit, as you can see. Okay, so it has all the tools which we'll be using for our oral cavity, including our cheeks, lips, tongue, jaw, hard palate and everything. So as we know that oral cavity is mainly for our speech clarity, swallowing and feeding. So we'll be discussing about all these tools in details. So today I'll be talking about one of the main tool we have in a special kit, that is the V-pen. So V-pen is a vibratory tool. It gives a vibrotactile stimulation to the oral cavity and it has different attachments. So if I talk about attachments, this has a pointed tip, a unit tip and top tip. So in today's episode, I will be mainly explaining about the pointed tip. So pointed tip, as the name itself mentions it, it has a pointed end. So this pointed end is mainly for a focused stimulation. So if a focused stimulation refers to only one point of stimulation, it has multiple usage for cheeks, for lips, for gums and even for tongue. So starting with your TM joint, I would suggest. So Angel, yes, please come forward. Yes. So I will start with stimulation of your TM joint, because if TM joint is functioning well, there will be no difficulty in jaw opening and jaw closing. You have to rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. Similarly, do it on the left side also. Now, next one will be stimulating the mandible. So we have two structures for jaw opening. One is respective maxilla and then mandible. So stimulating mandible now. So start with TM joint and come downwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Similarly, we have to stimulate the maxilla on both the sides. Okay. Next function I will be telling about the pointed tip will be the gum desensitization. Gum desensitization is very much important for chewing. You will get children who are not able to chew anything or who are not ready to put any different textures of food because of hypersensitivity in their oral cavity. So to work on oral defensiveness, first thing we have to start working is with the gum desensitization. Okay. So for gum desensitization, we will be stimulating only the gums part. Open your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes. So as I did on the right upper gum, you have to do it on the lower right gum, upper left gum and lower left gum. So similarly, we have to work on the tongue tip elevation also, and then we have to do inner cheeks also. For more detailed functions of it, please refer to our OSIT course. Thank you.